Hi, here I'm going to show you how to trade in ITM options. Go to algorithm, login, enter your password. This will be the default password, the password which you will be required to logging into FIST. IV Algo, select IV Algo. Through IV Algo you can trade in implied volatilities, also in ITM options. Login, index limit, OK. On selecting IV Algo, two entries appear here, that is IV order entry and IV order rules. Supposingly I have to buy 5000 strike as my desired ITM option. So 5000 strike is in a deep ITM option when it is compared with the current market price of Nifty futures. The shortcut keys for entering the rules of buy and sell order ITM options is Shift F1 and Shift F2. So by selecting Shift F1, this IV order entry screen appears, in which I have to select ITM. I'll be entering both the rules at a time. 5000 strike has been selected in Pro account. This is total quantity. Supposingly I want to buy 5000 quantity with an order quantity of 250. I can change the bid level here of futures. Since it will be buying 5000 call, it will be hedging futures. I can change the depth level of futures in price terms, also in quantity terms. I can modify my hedge counter by the number of times I want to modify it. Threshold percentage 100%. Hedge defined ratio has been put as 1:1. Future hedge has been selected. Future hedge has been selected through Nifty futures. There is also an option to hedge futures through synthetic hedge, which will be done, which I'll tell you in some time. Apply difference apply difference is there, wherein I can select the apply difference range. Supposingly if I select 2 and I enter here 9, so my order will go as 9 rupees buy differential. I want to buy 9 rupees. I want to buy 5000 call at 9 rupees discount. The present discount which is running in market is 7 rupees. So my quoting will start only once it is within the range of 9 and 7. That is the meaning of applied difference. I am making it 0.5 or I am making it 5 right now. I am adding both the rules. So two rules appears in the rule box. This rules will be there till the time you clean this rule. So supposingly if I make this rule today and if I logging into my FIST tomorrow, this rule will appear as it is. So I'm making this rule as -8 just to show you. I want to I want to trade in 5000 strike. So as soon as I enter, I press F4 key. By pressing F4 key, this red box will become green box, which means my rules are started. And when it is red box, this means my rules are stopped. I can change the column settings here by clicking on by clicking on this menu. Right clicking on the menu, the screen appears. So if I don't want the desired columns right now, I'll just tick them, unselect them, and it will have only those columns which I desire. So only the desired columns will appear here. This is check uncheck box. After checking check uncheck box, I can start all the rules, stop all the rules, reset traded quantity of the rules. By pressing reset quantity, the entire trading quantity, the traded quantity goes to 0. By pressing reset traded quantity, the entire traded quantity goes to 0. So I'm making it minus 5 right now, just to show you the orders. It shows market price is greater than defined price. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue just to show you the orders. So you can see that 5000 call is being bought, and this is being sold. 27 March Nifty is being sold, and 27 March 5000 strike has come. So what it shows is my algo performance window shows that I had ordered first to buy 5000 call at 5 rupees discount, but it has done a better trade by buying it at minus 5.45, minus 5.5. So it has given me a better trade in discount terms. It has bought my trades at 7.95 discount also. So the average discount which I see here is minus 6.31, and I had entered minus 5. So the price is, I have got a better discount rate right now. By pressing F9 key, I can trade the backup of this trade. I can upload this in Vol Hedge. So you can see 5000 call has been bought and Nifty future minus 5000 futures has been sold. So this position is exactly delta neutral. You can check delta 1, since it is being an ITM option, 5000 call will have 1 delta and 5000 future will also have 1 delta. So 5000 delta value has been bought and 5000 delta value has been sold. Now about synthetic options. I'll select another strike. 4500 call. This is also an ITM option. Why should I trade through synthetic futures? I should trade with synthetic futures only because it saves 80% of hedging cost. In Nifty futures, the cost of at 6600 of futures transaction is 1.4 rupees. So if anything I can save through synthetic options will cost only 25 to 30 paisa. So it is almost costing 80% lesser as compared to futures. So I'll just show you the order of 4500 strike trading through synthetic futures. I'll select ITM option. To trade through synthetic hedge. I'll enter 5000 quantity. Now by selecting synthetic hedge, the synthetic future can be created by 6000 strike, as it will be buying 6600 by 6600 strike, as it will be buying 6600 put and it will be selling 6600 call. I am adding this rules. I can check this rule again by pressing Shift F2 key. By pressing Shift F2 key, the rule box opens again. It shows 4500 call, 4500 strike has been selected, 4500 call has been selected, and the hedging will be done through 6600 strike. I have to place an order for buying an option. So I place this as 5.5 as my discount price. Update. Here you can see that 45 strike has been 45 strike is being bought, and for that 5000 quantity of 4500 call has been bought, and 6600 put has been bought and 6600 call has been sold. This position is also again delta neutral. You can check the impact by seeing the entire thing. You can see that the entire position is delta neutral. 4500 call, 5000 quantity has been bought, and 6600 put has been bought and 6600 call has been sold. The entire position is delta neutral. This was about synthetic option. trading ITM option through synthetic hedge. Supposingly, I want to just clean this traded quantity. So what I'll do is I'll check these boxes and I'll press reset traded quantity. The entire traded quantity goes to 0. So this was about ITM options. Thank you.